Learners. My full name is Ruzi Snowden. Today we will discuss the structure of an essay. Let's begin our lesson. So in this unit, you will learn the definition of an essay, how to format an essay, and how to write thesis statement. Uh, so first one, what is an essay? So an essay is a group of paragraphs, so written about a single topic and the central main idea. It must have at least three paragraphs, but five paragraph essay is a common language for academic writing. So paragraph is a group of sentence about one single topic. If it consists of 5 or 10 sentences, an essay consists of paragraph. If you want to write a perfect an essay, of course, you should know the structure of the paragraph. Okay, so here you can see the structure of an essay. There are three main parts of an essay. Any type of an essay consists of three main parts. The first one is the introduction, second one body paragraph, and last one is the conclusion. So the introduction, this is the first paragraph of an essay. It explains the topic with a general idea. It also has a thesis statement. This is sentence that gives the main idea. It usually come at or near the end of the paragraph. So introduction, you should give the general idea about the topic, and then you should move to specific idea. This idea is called thesis statement. Thesis statement gives a general or specific idea also how essay. It comes at the end of introductory paragraph. And the next one is the main body. So there are the paragraphs that explain and support the thesis statement, and they come between the introduction and the conclusion. There must be one or more paragraph in the main body of an essay. So body paragraph come to follow the introduction. It in a body paragraph, it help to support thesis statement, and you should give your explanation, your details for the thesis statement. And the body paragraph consists of more than two paragraphs. It depends on your topics or yours type of an essay. And the last one is the conclusion. This is the last paragraph of an essay. It summarizes or restates the thesis and the supporting ideas of the essay. The last one paragraph is called conclusion. So if you write a conclusion paragraph, you may use two ways. The first one, you should restate the thesis statement. In this situation, you should use different type of words and different structures. And the last one, you should sum up the main idea. In this situation, you should use thesis statement and the body paragraph. So how to format an essay? Here you can see the format an essay. If you write any type of an essay, you should follow the following format. The first one, you should use double spacing, leave a blank line between each line of writing. And second one, leave 2.5 centimeter, one each, of space on the sides and the top and the bottom of the page. These spaces is called the margin. If you type your essay, start the first line of each paragraph with the 5 spaces, one tab, and this is called indenting. If you write by hand, indent about 2 centimeters. Alternatively, paragraph can begin at the left-hand margin with no indentation. So, however, you must then leave one line space between each paragraph. And last one is you should put the title of your essay at the top of the first paragraph in the center. This is so format of essay. You should write. You should follow the following. So for rules, if you write an essay. Okay, so what is the thesis statement? So the thesis statement is a sentence that tells the main idea also, let's say, it can be compared a topic sentence, which gives a main idea also paragraph. It usually comes at or near at the end of introductory paragraph. So thesis statement gives a general idea of the whole essay. It can compare the topic sentence, but topic sentence gives the main idea also paragraph. You can find topic sentence in every paragraph in your essay. I mean, so body paragraph. And but you can find thesis statement only one paragraph. So thesis statement come at the end or end of introductory paragraph, and it gives the general or the main idea of the essay. So the readers can get general information about any type of essay if they read so thesis statement. So that thesis statement is an important part of your essay. Is also topic sentence. So how to structure of an essay. So a good way essays need to both sound professional and be a way to read and understand. To do this, so you have to express, you write both so the words and ideas. Well, your essay should both use appropriate and varied phrases and expression. This is a formal or academic, and the ideas that you write, the arguments and the pointers need to flow well. What I mean by the flow well? Flow well is each argumentus, so point you make in the essay, so naturally follows the ones that you wrote before. Doing this is very similar to giving good direction to a person to get to somewhere. When you give direction, so in order to not get the person you are telling them to become lost or confused, you have to both give them the correct sequential orders, where are to go or what to do first or second, etc. And correct each part of the direction together. Example, walk down the road until you reach the supermarket. As the supermarket, cruise onto the other side of the road. So, and like with giving you directions, how you structure what you write in essay is equally important to making it effective. With an essay, you need to organize the different first paragraph of what you write into a good orders. So you do by first ensuring this essay has an introduction, body, the main part of an essay, where you write and the reasons and arguments and the conclusion. Then you make sure that each argument reach reasons is written in its own paragraph or paragraphs. So, and that each paragraph you usually natural follow each others alike with directions, but an essay don't only flow well because of how you orders what you write in it. You also need to ensure that the different paragraphs of the essay and link it and connect it together. You do that by either referring in the last sentence of one paragraph what's the next paragraph we will talk about, or by referring in the first sentence of one paragraph what you talked about in the previous one. So here that's you can see the structure of paragraph of essay, sorry. So the first one is the introduction. So here you can see a thesis statement, and the next one paragraph 1, paragraph 2, or paragraph 3, and paragraph 4. This is the body paragraph, summarize the topic sentence involved in each paragraph related to and supporting thesis statement, and also supporting arguments and evidence each paragraph. And last one here, you can see the conclusion paragraph. Thesis statement, rephrase it, summary of supporting arguments and given. This is the structure of essay. Okay, so writing a strong thesis statement. So as we know, thesis statement is an important part of your essay. So there are two types of thesis statement. The first one strong, and second one weak thesis statement. A thesis statement gives the author's opinion or state an important idea about the topic. It should give the idea that you can be discussed and explained while supporting idea. So the qualification for getting into university in my country are unreasonable. When studying a foreign language, there are several ways to improve your use of the language. So this is a strong thesis statement. They can be discussed or explained. the two ideas is important part of an essay because there's a statement and both of them can be discussed and explained. So we can say there are strong thesis statement. And a thesis statement should not be a sentence only give facts about the topic. For example, in the Northern Hemisphere, the summer months are warmer than in winter months. This is not strong thesis statement. It cannot be discussed or argued about because this sentence only fact. We cannot discuss it in the main body paragraph. So then we can say that this sentence is weak thesis statement. A thesis statement should not state two sides of argument equality. For example, there are advantage and disadvantage to using nuclear power. Could be topic sentence, but it's not thesis statement. It gives two sides of arguments without giving clear opinion of support or disagreement. It could be revised like this. Also, there are some disadvantages using nuclear power, as many disadvantages, and should not part of our country energy plan. The first sentence, there are advantage and disadvantage to using nuclear power. This is weak thesis statement because if we choose this thesis statement, we can discuss it two sides, disadvantages to using nuclear power. We can use this idea to for topic sentence for main body paragraph. But the next sentence also there are some disadvantages using nuclear power as many disadvantages and should not part of our country energy plan. Is it strong thesis statement because in this opinion you can discuss only disadvantage points in your essay. This is a strong thesis statement. It clearly gives a writer's opinion about nuclear powers. So how to connect thesis statement and the essay? So you know thesis statement is important part of your essay. So before you write your essay, you should try to write thesis statement for your essay. The paragraph is in the main body of an essay should always explain the thesis statement. In addition, each paragraph is main body should discuss one part of thesis. Look at the following thesis statement. The topic is to be discussed and underlined. So, to create a successful advertisement, it's necessary for advertisers to answer them. Question: what are we selling? Who are we selling it to? And how can we make people want to buy it? So you know that the thesis statement is the main important part of an essay. So that before you write your essays, you should try to write thesis statement. Here we can see one of the example of strong thesis statement. In this thesis statement, so is required to create a successful advertisement. And here we can see three important and discussion points. The first one, what are we selling? And second one, who are we selling it to? And last one is how can we make people want to buy it? Possible topic sentence for each paragraph in the main body. So you may write topic sentence for three questions. Okay, let's analyze the first. What are we selling? Let's try to answer the topic sentence, which is the first step is creating successful advertisement is to completely understand the product that is being sold and how it can be used. This is the topic sentence for question number one. So what are we selling? You can write this topic sentence at the beginning of your main body. Then you will support with this idea with explanation, detail, and also factors and etc. And second topic sentence, a second important part of creating an advertisement is deciding who is expected to buy the product. This is topic sentence for the question, who are we selling it to? And third one is finally, a way must be found to create an ad that will make people want to buy the product. This is topic sentence for question. How can we make people want to buy it? So if you this topic, thesis statement help to write topic sentence, and the topic you should try you should support, and you should complete thesis statement in your body paragraph. So how to develop thesis statement? Okay, so last one. So if you write topic thesis statement, first of all, you should know the ways of thesis statement. Okay, so here we can see one of the way of to write thesis statement. One way to develop a thesis statement for an essay to write opinion, you have about the topic. So begin with I think that and complete the topic sentence with your opinion. Then remove I think that, and then the remaining words make as possible thesis statement. In this situation, you should begin your opinion. I think that, in my opinion, etc. Then you should complete this sentence, complete this space with your own ideas. And for example, topic diet or food. Number one, the idea. So vegetarian diet is one of the best way to live a healthy life. And second one, so government should restrict the use of the chemical in agriculture and food products. So after you have written several opinions, statements, choose the one and would must the best thesis, and remember to decide if the sentence give clear opinion and also state a fact or presented two sides without a clear arguments. After you have in this this way is called make a list. In this situation, you should first of all you should choose one of the topic for your essay. So if you want to choose a topic for your essay, you shouldn't choose narrow or broad topic, because if you choose a narrow topic, there are a few information or a few ideas about the topic. But if you choose a broad or general topic, there are a lot of ideas for your essay. So that you should try to normal topics. And then you should try to write as a statement in this situation. You should begin the phrases I think and in my opinion, etc., and complete the more suitable ideas which can be discussed and explained. And then you should make a list. You should write your own ideas. After then, you should remove I think that, in my opinion, look like these phrases. At the end, you should choose only one, the best thesis statement for your topic, which is this thesis statement has not be it can be discussed and explained, and you should pay attention. So factors and also some equality. This is the most important part of thesis statement. Of course, this is general information about thesis statement. I think that if you want to write perfect an essay, you should follow these rules. The first one, you should follow the structure of an essay: introduction part, main body, and conclusion. And then you should follow the format of an essay. And the last one, you should write and explain your thesis statement. This is the full information about your topic, the structure of an essay.